Welcome back. Good day so far. Let's find out what the chatter is in dealing rooms. Nimesh is now joining in as always. Nimesh, it's good to see the tech index still flying high. In 2 days, it's up nearly 5%.
Absolutely. For second day running, it's the IT which is helping the Nifty to be up almost 100 odd points. And as you rightly pointed out, it's a good day. And now we are seeing a bit of short covering rally beyond IT stocks as well. What we saw in the last couple of days was covering in IT. Now, some of these auto sector, export-facing auto sectors, defense names, they all are seeing a bit of short covering rally as well in today's market. From a flow perspective, again, a mixed day, but like what I mentioned yesterday as well, I understand even in today's market, there is a small MOC buy basket at a leading FID. So maybe some individual names will get reacted in the last 30 minutes of trade. But one sector which is seeing a bit of buying interest back is the PSU bank names. The index is up 2%. A lot of individual PSU banks are seeing a bit of bidding interest as well, is what I understand. So that's one space which is not seeing short covering, but a bit of buying as well from larger institutions. Technically, we are very close to that very important resistance of 24,950. But again, from a powerful short covering rally point of view, the feedback is that Nifty has to cross 25,200. If that gets taken out, you will see further short covering rally in the overall market. So that's the technical feedback. But broadly, from a flow perspective, a small MOC is again what I understand. But if it's for the second day running, it's IT on the back of short covering, which is helping the markets to sustain the morning gap up.
Lots of mid-caps flying in IT. Zensar, Persistent Technology, Atara LXC, Mastech, Coforge. These are all mid-cap IT stocks, 4 to 6%. But Nimesh, what do you have in terms of stock-specific action in your chatter?
Okay, so the first stock on my list is PNB Housing. That's been consolidating with a bit of a positive bias in the last couple of days. A couple of things. One, I understand the selling pressure from a leading sovereign fund is largely over. So that selling is done with, is my sense is. And also for PNB Housing, the next big takeout will be the appointment of the new CEO. For that, I understand today is the last day for applications of the for the CEO's position. So that's something to track going forward in PNB Housing. So that's the first name. The second stock is Time Techno. Again, the stock has been consolidating of late. But even in Time Techno, I understand a leading domestic mutual fund has been an active buyer of late. So that's the buzz there. The third name is JSW Energy. The stock is up 3% in today's market. It's recovered from the recent lows. But even for JSW Energy, my sense is that there could be a QIP very soon. I understand the roadshows have started as far as the fundraising is concerned. So that's the third name. And the last one is Healthcare Global. The stock has recovered very sharply from the intraday lows on the back of that large block. In the afternoon block window, 5% equity got changed hands. And I understand the PE investor was a seller in today's block. So it's technically a clean-out trade from the PE investor. They've completely sold out in today's block deal. So that's Healthcare Global recovering after a large block today.
Nimesh, Tega Industries, you were recently telling us about Tega. What's happening? I mean, any update?
So Rima, I've been tracking that stock very closely. It's been part of my chatter list a couple of times in the last few weeks. But again, for Tega, I've been highlighting that it will be a large corporate development. My sense is there's going to be a large leverage buyout, and for that, maybe some private equity investors are likely to buy stake. Also, there's going to be a preferential issue to raise money in Tega Industries so that that can be funded for that large overseas acquisition. So something is around the corner. Announcement can come very soon, but that's a big development in Tega Industries, which is likely in the very near future.
Got that. Thank you very much for that. The stock is down 1.5% today, but in the last 6 months, it's seen a rally of close to about 50.